Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set a photo as a wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A27. To do it, you can go to the settings, then find wallpaper and style. Now click on change wallpapers and go to gallery. Then you can select a photo that you would like to set. I will set maybe this one. You can set one or more up to 15. If you set more than one, then they will dynamically change between each other. When I click on done, I can now select whether to apply it to lock screen, home screen, or both. I can unselect if I don't want to apply it to one of them. Now I can click on next. I can also customize the lock screen and stuff like that. I like the clock being in the middle of the screen. Something like that. Oh yeah, I like it this way. You can customize the clock, of course, by clicking on it. You can add widgets, do stuff. You can see how the wallpaper will look on the home screen and on the lock screen. When I click on done, it's now changed. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.